Welcome back to Data Analysis, your go-to source for all things data. I'm Zubair Garaya, and today we're going to dive into the exciting world of creating stunning violin plots with ggplot2 in RStudio. But before we jump into the code, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our data-driven content. So, what exactly are violin plots? Think of them as the perfect blend of box plots and kernel density plots. They provide us with a comprehensive view of data distribution, showcasing both summary statistics and data density. Let's get hands-on. First, make sure you have ggplot2 installed. If not, no worries, just run this simple command. Next, we'll load the NANS dataset, which will be the foundation for our plots. Now, check out this code for creating your very first violin plot. But why stick to the basics? Let's add some colors to our violins. It's as easy as this. And if you're feeling creative, you can customize the colors to suit your style. It's all about making your data pop. Time to make your plot look sleek and professional. With themes and labels, you'll have your audience hooked. For those who crave precision, we've got options for you too. Fine-tune your plot to perfection with these advanced settings. Alright, it's FAQ time. You've got questions, we've got answers. And there you have it, folks, your crash course on creating mesmerizing violin plots in RStudio using ggplot2. Remember, data analysis is an art, and you're the artist. So, experiment, customize, and let your data tell its story. Don't forget to reach out to us at info@data03.online for any inquiries, or you can visit our website to explore our services. Show website URL https://www.data03.online/p/order-now.html right bracket. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your data-savvy friends, and of course, hit that subscribe button. Stay curious, stay data-driven, and see you in the next video.